Hello everyone, welcome to another Alveo Tips and Tricks episode. Today we are going to be talking about how to close all of your buys, all of your sells, or all of your trades all together. So let's go ahead and jump right into the computer right now. All right, so once you're in Alveo, you can go ahead and make a couple sells, a couple buys, whatever you want to do. As you can see, I've already got 3 buys on here. I'm going to go ahead and place a couple sells as well, just so we can check out this feature. All right, so I've got all my sells and my buys on here, and let's say for whatever reason I want to close out just my sells right now. Say they're all good or they're all getting really bad and I just want to get out, and I want to do it fast, so I don't want to go through and click on these individually because that's a little tedious. So we're going to go up here to this file and we're going to go down to settings, and you're just going to want to make sure that this disable prompt when flattening orders is checked, and the enable close orders box is also checked, and that will allow you to do what we're about to do here. So we're going to click save, and then you're going to go down here and you can click this top red X, and it's going to open up this little dialog box right here that says select the kind of orders you want to close, and you can choose if you want to close all your buys or all your sells, or if you want to cancel. Or right here, it's automatically by default checked on all, so you can close out all of them at once. So we can see down below my cells are starting to be green, so let's just go ahead and close all of those and make like a pip and a half here. That'll be fun. Click OK, and that'll get rid of all of them just like that. And it's super easy, super convenient, and if you ever have any problems and you need to get out quick, or like I said, if they're all green and you just want to close them all at once and you don't want to go through the tedious task of closing each one individually, but you want to keep your buys or your sells open, that is how you would go about doing it. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Alveo and Tips and Tricks. We are happy that you're here watching these. We hope they help. Let us know in the comments if there's anything else that you would like us to show you. We are very attentive and we try to get responding to any questions we have as quickly as possible. Thank you again, and we'll see you at the next episode.
If you like this tip on Alveo and want to learn more, like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to understand more about Apiary Fund's proprietary trading platform, Alveo, Lucas holds an online class called Alveo Basic Training every Monday. Make sure to join him and get all your questions answered and get the most out of Alveo.